member states address this on my profound responsibility before you deeply honored to address.
Looking at the agenda before us, we can see the gravity of the security situation in our region. The overview of the security status highlights the devastating impact that unregulated flow of illicit small arms continues to have, fueling armed conflicts, illegal exploitation of natural resources, terrorism, cattle rustling, and other serious crimes.
We've also been able to establish the regional harmonized reporting tool that transitions from the manual to electronic record keeping in the management of weapons to enhance transparency, standardization, and accountability.